Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Time Bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in time.com. It will take you to the official website of Time Bank, and over here in this interface, you can see the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on it and choose your account type and click on personal online banking. Now it will take you to the login portal of Time Bank, and over here enter the user ID of your account. Once you do that, enter the password of your account. After that, click on login. You will be logged into your Time Bank account, and in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here on forgot password or forgot user ID to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your Time Bank account. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.